Money face, man. Got the let's get it, let's go, man. You on Chuck's Daily Hustle, man. It's time to get my Tahoe today. See what we got. Woo! Oh, he got her clean. I gotta see this other door. I asked him for the extra sauce today, y'all. I got Pop with me. Oh, he got her clean. Let me look at this door, y'all. Y'all remember that scratch? Let's see. He said he wasn't probably wouldn't be able to get it out, but it is what it is. All them other scratches is gone though. That one deep. I think somebody keyed me or something. I don't know what happened there. Hopefully y'all couldn't hear me over all that noise. Yeah. Let me look at this interior real quick, man. I got so excited, I didn't even tell y'all, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this joint. Got the social medias links in the description below as well, y'all. But look at this. Oh, yeah, man. He killed the nation on this. We got to bring this out. Yeah. I don't know, man. Comment below. Let me know if y'all think I should sell her, man. I got to show y'all this interior while we out here in the light, though. Yeah. Let that sun hit her. I don't know, man. Gas prices going up. They going up. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, you killed the nation on this joint, man.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Yeah, this is 10 times better than... You know what's crazy is I had somebody do this detail, from my office. Really? Yeah, and I was like, I didn't really like the work. But this right here, man, I'm completely satisfied, man. Eric, man, you missed a spot. I was fucking with you. Nah, man, this is dope, man. He did a hell of a job, y'all. So I hope y'all didn't see too much information on there. But yeah, man, this is cool. I'm gonna show y'all the back. See, y'all remember if you watched the first time that I got this detailed? Remember, dude missed the whole entire spot, and guess what? Eric didn't, man. So there you go, man. No trash left in between the seats. Dope. Yeah, the last time I got it detailed, bro, the dude left the trash back here and everything. Yeah, I was just like so much in a rush that I was like, forget it. But no, you did your thing. Yeah. Taught you well, man. Oh, you got the engine detail. Oh yeah, we ready to go, y'all. We back up in there. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna put her on the road today. Look at that, man. Yeah, he got it all, man. Most def. Can't complain. Watch out there. Car right there. Yeah. So we straight, man. I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Yeah, man. So we in the car, man. My baby, man. You know what I'm saying? Feel real good. Got these kids. I don't know what happened to. I don't even know what that is on his head. That ain't no Nike. But we got fresh lining. If y'all don't know, I roast my kids all the time, so it's all good, right? Yeah. Say what's up, man. I ain't seen you in a while.
What's up?
Say what's up.
What's up, YouTube?
Just say what's up, Major. It's Major Nation, man. You ain't even gotta call him YouTube, man.
What's up, Major Nation?
Just say Major Nation.
Major Nation.
You gotta put some deepness in your voice, man.
Major Nation.
Yeah, Major Nation. Major Nation. Try it out, man.
Major Nation.
Yeah, man. So we rolling, man. I'm with the kids, man, and we actually I made a big mistake. So I was so ecstatic about getting in this truck, man, that I completely forgot about my keys. That's on the van key ring. So I have to drive 30 minutes to go pick it up, and then I gotta drive 45 minutes to the office because we got a showing, man. So that's really bad right now. So luckily it's a repeat customer, so I didn't give her exact time. She just basically waiting on a call from me. I know the thing is sold because I'm giving her a player deal, and it's gonna be the Hyundai Zera, man. So that's real quick. We put the tires on it, then we back out, man. Get some money, Blueface Saturday, baby. See y'all in a second. Let's get it. My keys were in my coat, so we was looking basically everywhere for them, and they ended up being in the coat with me the whole time. So we are on the highway right now, going out to this office to meet up with the lady for the Azera. So I just thought about it. Well, I was thinking about it, and I was like, I should have really, because of the amount of bites that I was getting, I should have really pushed that Pontiac on her, and then I would have had that thing gone, and then I would have had the Hyundai sold as well. So kind of messed up, but we're gonna see what she said, because the Hyundai, whatever, they it's got 30,000 less miles, so she might end up going with that. And at this point, I'll basically give it away to her, because like I said, nobody's come out to check it out, so it just kind of is what it is. So I'll keep you guys informed, and I will let you know. We just got done smashing some food. As you can see, these boys is tired, so we just got us some tacos. I love tacos, man, so I went and got me some burrito tacos. If y'all know nothing about that, man, it was fire. So see y'all in a second.
I'm up. We up.
All right, y'all, we are here, man. So we just made it to the office, and I'm getting ready to move these cars. Twan got a showing for our Cadillac today, man. The Cadillac STS. So hopefully that thing gets sold, and we'll be straight. So I need to move. Oh, I gotta show y'all some cars too, man. It's been so busy, y'all, man. Like I keep on telling y'all, I apologize for not giving y'all the usual better content, just because, man, it's been way too busy for me to be able to film all the time. But hopefully I got enough time to show y'all some new add-ons to the collection out here, which should be going pretty soon. I guess a lot of people got their stimmies yesterday. If you don't know what that means their stimulus. And so we love when they spend their stimulus money with us over here at Major Motors. Isn't that right, buddies?
Yes, sir.
Yes. My kids are so respectful, man. They're so respectful. This one right here is kind of bad, though. You can tell because he got his arms and his sleeves, which don't chew on that like you a baby, dude. Beat you up. You don't do that, fam. You gotta be stern with him sometimes. You just show him how to be a man, right? What's your last name?
Thomas.
You gotta say it with a what? How you say it?
Thomas.
Nah, say it with deep voice.
Thomas.
Nah, you gotta look at the camera and say it, man. Look at the camera and say it.
I'm a Thomas.
What you is?
I'm Thomas.
Hey, man, y'all make sure y'all teach y'all kids stuff, man. That's all I gotta say. It's a blessing to be able to do that. All right, but I'll see y'all in a second. Money face. I scared him, didn't I? I scared him, huh? Hey, this sold, man. The Hyundai is gone. So I'm super happy about that. Super ecstatic about that. Like always, it's out of there. It's finito. Y'all, it's gone. So dope, man. That's all I can say, man. Got the work jacket right here. Got the money in my hand, paid in full. At first, she was going to put a certain amount down and just owe me $200. But they had all the money and they made it work. So that's dope, man. And then also, man, so this is the lady, man. Y'all actually were here, man. I did have YouTube when I sold this car. So this is the Buick Rendezvous that I sold y'all, the one that I had so many issues with. No, my bad. This is the second one. So not the one that I had so many issues with. This was the second white one that I had got. And I sold it to the lady. She was going to Chicago to pick up her kid. So she picked up her kid, y'all, and from Chicago, y'all, and brought him back, and everything's been good. So it's been about 6 months since they had the car, and they love it. Twan just pulled back up. I'm tripping. But let me one step at a time. Can y'all go over there? Story time, all right? Okay? Thank you. So anyways, man, she told me that she loved the car, and that's obviously why she came back. She knew that I supply reliable and affordable vehicles nationwide, y'all. So that's dope. Also, Tweezy's back, man. He's finna show this C or STS. I don't know if they're coming or whatever, but low key, we got to start up the car. The dang power steering was whining and was tight, so I think he told them, and he said they might come buy it as is. I don't know, but I'm just gonna get rid of it because I don't feel like messing with no power steering again. So it is what it is. We're gonna see. But let me holler at him. Money face, man. Got the 06 Cadillac STS sold, man. Super happy. Like always when I sell a car. So Twan actually ended up selling that one. The people came out and bought it, man. So that's super dope. I done left and came back already. I picked up a Ford Escape, a 08 Ford Escape. A lot of you guys probably don't remember, but I got the black one. I picked it up. I forgot that I actually had it, y'all. Because I had it in my old house in the garage. So went, got that, washed that off, and then put it in the lot. So I'm going to get ready to basically finish the rest of what I need to fix on that. And then I'll figure out if I'm going to sell it to the public or if I'm going to actually, do the auction. So I'll figure that out, man. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to show you guys the cars today. A couple more cars that I got or whatever, but you will see them hopefully tomorrow, man. But it's a lot of stuff going on. I'm just trying to keep it moving and grooving. Obviously, y'all see it's dark as heck outside, so it is what it is, man. But I'm trying, man. That's all we can do is try. But until tomorrow, man, I'm out. Peace.